The following spreadsheet has a formula in D10. The formula in D10 is using the ampersand to join together various pieces of text in double quote with the content of cells in the spreadsheet. That way, if the information in the cells change, the sentence will automatically update. If the brook trout population species increased, I would change 32 in E8 to 50. When I press enter, suddenly we have stream population for brook trout species is 50 per mile. If I was actually writing about rainbow trout, I would change E5 to say rainbow trout. And suddenly I have stream population for rainbow trout is 50 per mile. The ampersand is very good at joining things together. But sometimes people will fill in cells in uppercase, lowercase, and any combination of. There are 3 text functions which are very good at formatting text. While I'm sitting on the cell D10 and I can see the formula, I'll click immediately after the equals and I'll type upper and open bracket. When I press enter, it will automatically show me that sentence in uppercase, irrespective of how these cells were filled out. If I want to show the sentence in lowercase, I'll double click upper and I'll type lower. And now the sentence is automatically in lowercase. And thirdly, if I double click lower and I type proper, I will get an initial capital for each word. So if you have data that needs to be converted to uppercase, lowercase or proper case, these 3 functions are very good.